ना गिरीश कितें म्हणटा काम चालू कोणा खातीर
आपणाचे
केलां? आपणाचे खातीर पार्टी खातीर
काम चालू केला म्हणटा
पार्टी खातीर दिस इज नथींग न्यू. हांवें हाज्या पयलीं खूब फावटी सांगलां तुमचे जे फ्रेंड्स कलिग्स आसा मिडिया भितर तांकां सांगलां की आय एम ऑल्सो वन अमंग द कंटेंडर्स म्हणून. ओके एंड दॅट स्टील स्टँड्स. आय हॅव नॉट चेंज माय स्टान्स की आय एम नॉट अ कंटेंडर. आय एम अ कंटेंडर टुडे. आनी सगळ्यांक खबर आहा कोण कोण कंटेंडर आसा. सिटींग MP आसा आनी बाकी खूब आसा. Now the primary objective is to first see that the party is strengthened. Okay, party strength मेळपाची आज गरज आसा because we are facing a second round of defection which have happened. So taking all these factors into consideration, I basically believe in strategizing so that the party wins. Now candidate कोण आसतलो आताच तुमकां सांगलां ऑब्झर्वरान candidate will be the party prerogative. Whom to declare and whom not to declare. But that doesn't stop me from saying that yes, I am a contender in the race for the Congress. I am with the people. I am with the people. काल सिया आता कितें आसता merely because एक इलेक्शन लागीं पावलां आनी अप्रोचिंग इलेक्शनाक लागून हांव हे कॅन्डिडेचरा खातीर हांव त्या लोकां मदीं वयता दॅट इज यू फॉरगेट दॅट इज नॉट एट ऑल. आय हॅव बीन देर. काल सुद्दां हांव काणकोणा म्हाका लोकांनी आपयल्लो ते फिल्म सिटीक लागून. I made it clear that whatever Gram Sabha has decided has to be supreme. The people ask my guidance also. That they believe that I can give them advice, suggest to them properly. So तातून भितर जर एक political derivative म्हणून जर लोक म्हाका पळयतात that I am strong, could be a strong candidate for the Congress. So be it. What is wrong in that? Minorities have played a big role, historic role, and everybody is aware in the journey of the Congress party, and still it continues. That doesn't mean a majority community is not there. Now see, you have to take into account that majority community also has got fed up with the present dispensation. त्यांची 12 वर्सां जाली आनी जे राज्य चलता आतां राजकारण चलता आनी राज्य चलयतात ज्या भाशेन ते चलयतात people are not getting the benefit. So people approach people when they share with me. आतां तुका जॉब स्कॅमाचो तो इश्यू आयला म्हणून सांगला. Who gives us this knowledge? It is the people. The people tell us की बाबा अशें झाला पळया मरे मातशें. So they have a faith in us and we are trying to translate that faith of the people by going into a direct action against the government. So that is our role. So in the process of this role करता करता जर लोक आमकां पळयतात that you are a good candidate material, I accept that the people should decide that people's opinion आसा. I am ready to accept that.
तुम्ही सेंट्रल लिडरा कडेन बी उलयल्यात टॉप हेच्याकडे एक्सप्रेस
I believe one principle, एक ज्युडिशियल प्रिन्सिपल जो आसा, no man shall espouse his own cause or judge his own cause. हांव तितूंतलो हांव म्हजे खातीर म्हाका दिरे म्हणपाच्या हितून भानगडेन पडचो ना. ज्या दिसाक तांकां कळटलें की लोकांचो ओपिनियन कितें आसा, and if they go by public opinion, then I stand a very strong chance.